Fluid mechanics. Introduction. Fluid mechanics in the universe. Anything is flow is called fluid. Example: liquid or gas. In the sense of liquid, water, oil, etc. In the sense of gas, CO2, oxygen, etc. which flow in the environment, and this is the waters, oils. Water is flow on the earth, as also we see in the sea, and oil in the it is also it is floatable material. And fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is the branch of science in which study about the behavior of a fluid. Behavior of a fluid means the static and static behavior of a fluid. Second is the kinematic motion of the behavior of a fluid. Third is the dynamic aspects of the fluid. And fluid static. The study of a fluid at rest is called fluid static. Fluid kinematic. The study of a fluid in the motion where the pressure force are not considered is called fluid kinematics. That is the fluid dynamic. The study of a fluid in the motion where the pressure force are also considered. That branch of science is called fluid dynamics. Pressure force. The magnitude of force at any object by pressure is called pressure force. By the pressure force, the properties of a fluid. The properties of fluids: first is the density of a fluid, second is the specific width, third is the specific volume of a fluid, and the fourth is the specific gravity. And first, density or mass density of a fluid. Density or mass density of a fluid is defined as the ratio of the mass of the fluid to its volume, and that is the density or mass density of a fluid. It's defined as ratio of a fluid, the mass density of a mass of a fluid to its volume. Density is equal to mass of fluid by volume of fluid denoted by rho, and rho is equal to m of fluid divided by v of fluid. SI unit, rho is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, and CGS unit 1 gram per centimeter cube, that is equal to also 1000 kg per meter cube. And we next slide as go the density of a liquid. The density of a liquid treat as a constant, while that the gases change with the variation of pressure and temperature. A specific width or width density. A specific width or width density is defined as the ratio of a width of fluid by its volume is called a specific width or width density. And next slide is go omega. It is denoted by W. Weight of fluid by volume of a fluid, यानी कि mass of fluid into multiplication, because the mass multiplication with g is the acceleration due to gravity. यहाँ से W and weight यानी कि specific weight gravity and specific weight density. Specific weight और weight density हो सकता हूँ as can called rho into g, mass density of a fluid into multiplication with acceleration due to gravity. And now the value of a specific weight or weight density of a water is 9.81 into 1000 Newton per meter cube. 1000 Newton per meter cube. W is equal to get multiplication with 9810 Newton per meter cube. It is the for only water. It is a standard. Multiply 9.1 into 1000. The value of a specific weight or weight density for water. A specific volume. A specific volume is defined as the volume of a fluid occupied by its unit mass is called a specific volume. Means the fluid occupied by its unit mass is called a specific volume. BS the volume of a specific volume is called the volume of a fluid by mass of fluid, and BS is equal to 1 by mass of fluid by volume of a fluid is equal to 1 by rho. BS equal to 1 by rho. A specific volume of a fluid into multiplication density of a fluid equal to 1.